Hola, soy María, and this is an embodied Spanish class. So today you're going to learn how to respond to the question ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal means how are you? How are you doing? So there are different ways you can respond to ¿Qué tal? The most common would be bien, I'm well. So ¿Qué tal? Bien. And it is also very common to add y tú and you. ¿Qué tal? Bien, ¿y tú? If you're feeling so-so, if you're not feeling great, you would say something like tirando, tirando. Or a version of it, tirandillo, tirandillo. Right? So, ¿qué tal? Tirando. ¿Y tú? Now, if you're feeling great, if you're feeling awesome, you can respond with genial. Genial. ¿Qué tal? Genial. ¿Y tú? So these are the three most general ways to respond to the question ¿Qué tal? But you can go into more detail. You can give more information as to why you are feeling well, so-so, or great. So maybe you're feeling so-so, you're feeling tirando because you didn't have a great night of sleep. So you could say, ¿Qué tal? Tirando, no he dormido muy bien. So, no he dormido muy bien means I haven't had a good sleep. I haven't slept well. Or you could say, ¿Qué tal? Tirando, estoy muy cansada. Where estoy muy cansada means I am very tired. If you're feeling great, you can expand also as to why you're feeling great. So you can say, ¿Qué tal? Genial, mañana me voy de vacaciones. Mañana me voy de vacaciones means tomorrow I am going on holidays. Or you could say, ¿Qué tal? Genial, he dormido estupendamente. In where he dormido estupendamente means I've had a wonderful night sleep. Or I've slept wonderfully. Let's expand now in ¿Qué tal? What does it mean? So, ¿Qué tal? Is the short version of ¿Qué tal estás? How are you? ¿Qué tal estás? Estás is the verb to be, is the verb estar. And we use estar to talk about a state or mood or feeling in a particular situation. So, ¿Qué tal estás? So in ¿Qué tal estás? I am asking you, how are you feeling now? How are you now? I want to know about your physical state or about your emotional state. So, ¿Qué tal? Estoy bien. Bien. And as you can see in ¿Qué tal? We are omitting the verb estar. And that is quite common also in the answer. So, ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal estás? Estoy bien. Bien. So you can omit estar because we understand that this is the common verb that we are talking about, both of us. So this is all for this embodied Spanish class. So I'm leaving you with the question, ¿Qué tal? Please respond in the comments. I read you. Te leo. Hasta luego.